Today we're diving into CapCut, a free video editing app that's been making waves among creators. But does it live up to the hype? Let's explore what makes this tool popular and whether it's really worth your time. CapCut is designed to be an accessible video editing tool that caters to both beginners and seasoned creators. Right off the bat, the user interface feels intuitive, with a clean layout that allows you to jump straight into editing without a steep learning curve. You can trim clips, add music, apply filters, and even include text overlays all within a few taps. One standout feature is the extensive library of effects and transitions, which can help elevate your videos significantly. The built-in music library offers a variety of tracks that you can use without worrying about copyright issues, which is a huge plus for content creators. However, while the app does cover most essential editing tools, some advanced features like multi-track editing or detailed color grading are a bit limited. This may leave more experienced users wanting more depth. Overall, CapCut positions itself as a versatile option, but there are areas where it feels a bit basic. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, CapCut is completely free, which is a major draw for creators on a budget. The user-friendly interface and rich collection of effects make it easy to create engaging content quickly. However, there are some drawbacks. The app can be a bit buggy at times, which might frustrate users when they're in the middle of an important project. Additionally, while it offers a solid selection of features, it lacks some advanced editing tools that professionals might expect. For casual users or those just starting out, CapCut can be a fantastic choice. But if you're looking for something more robust for serious projects, you might want to explore alternatives that offer deeper functionality. In conclusion, CapCut is a great entry-level video editor that's perfect for casual creators or anyone looking to make quick edits without spending a dime. If you're someone who needs more advanced features, you might want to look elsewhere. But for most users, it's definitely worth giving it a try.